Hello, my dear friend. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today, I am bringing a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is Mimify A. Guys, this amazing project. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. Mimify AI, welcome to the first AI meme agent set to automate on X, featuring a meme content creator and social app with web3 features under development. Step into the future of meme content creation. We are crafting the first AI powered meme social app featuring a meme generator, a vast gallery of viral memes, and in-app feature of posting and share on your favorite social media. With AI tools for photos and video editing, face filters, and content creation, we aim to outdo TikTok, set to become a D app on Solana, where you can share and connect through Web3. This is where memes, AI, and viral content creation converge. Come join our community, be part of the revolution, and stay tuned for our app's launch. And next, guys, you can scroll down and see this guy you can buy now on Radium. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this Radium page is open. You can click this I understand and confirm now. Then guys, you can check here. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet: Phantom, Soul Player. So guys, you can select any wallet. Then you can check here, you can select network. So I select network Solana. Then you can enter your Solana amount. For example, I enter Solana amount 1000. Then you can see Mimify AI. If you want to swap Mimify AI to Sol, then you can click here and enter your Mimify AI amount. Then you can receive Solana. You can check here Mimify AI pair with Solana. You can check here price chart, price in up and down. You can get huge profit now. And next we back to the home page, and next guys, you can check here, you go to this project live chart. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this project live chart, the screener page is open. You can check here chart Mimify AI with Solana on Radium. You can check here live chart, price in up and down. You can get huge profit now. You can check here price USD 0.042407 price. You can check here liquidity $15K dollar, market cap $24K dollars. You can check here tax buy and sale, buys 3%, sale 0, volume total $86, buy volume $86, sale volume null, total makers to buyers to seller 0. And next guys, you can scroll down and see this. If you want to buy, then you can click here and enter your Solana amount. Then you can receive Mimify AI now. So first of all, you can connect your wallet, then you can buy now. If you want to sell, then you can click here and enter your Mimify AI amount. Then you can receive Solana. You can check here all details, and next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can see this Mimify AI tokenomics. You can check here total supply. You can see this liquidity burned, network Solana, contract renounced, fair launch, pump.fun, CX, and partnerships coming soon, marketing booster coming soon. And as guys, you can see this tokenomics fair launch. You can check here 25 tokenomics team 5%. You can check here tokenomics contract 10%. You can see this tokenomics liquidity 23.513%. You can check here tokenomics CX and partnerships 34%. And next you can check here the contact address of this project address. You can copy now, then you can buy now. And next you can check here partner of this project Mimify AI. You can check here Cyberscope, Radium, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Pump.fun, Solana. You can check here, and next you can scroll down and see this roadmap of this project Mimify AI. Phase 1 fair launch on Pump.fun, website launch, Telegram community, and X social creation, Radium breach, and supply burn, initial marketing. Phase 2 CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listing, first CX listing, DEX tools and DEX screener profile, sponsored and enhanced marketing. Phase 3. Phase 3 more CX listing, major marketing push, mobile app release, alpha version, tier 1 CX listing, and continued community growth. And next you can scroll down and see this Mimify AI. You can see this and next we go to the another detail of this project Mimify AI. So we go to another project detail. So guys, you can click here and see this Mimify AI and other details. The first AI powered meme generator app featuring AI agents combining artificial intelligence with meme culture to create the next generation of viral content. So guys, you can check here app preview, get a sneak peek at the future of meme creation with our AI power tools. You can check here app, you can see this app about this project Mimify. So guys, you can play this video and watch this video completely on YouTube about this app. Revolutionary features. You can check here AI powered meme generation with advanced customization options, smart templates that adapt to your creative style, one click sharing to all major social platforms. So guys, you can join the community and follow these updates about this Mimify app. You can check here upcoming features, AI video editor, AI photo editor, AI captions, AI video clipping, AI AR face filters, background remover. You can check here upcoming features, stream editor, live streaming, music library, and next you can check here AI video editing features, create stunning feature clips with powerful AI features, easy video editing, engaging effects, and TikTok like content creation tools. You can check here, you can see this, you can play this video and watch this. You can check here art clips, picture in picture, AI clipping, AI captions. You can check here, you can see this background swap, color filters, face AR mask. You can see the neck. You can check here time effect, transition effects, video effects. You can check here all video editing effect. You can see this audio editor, text and GIFs, beauty effects. You can check here, and next you can see this meet our AI agents. Our advanced AI agents are designed to revolutionize how memes are created and shared. They work tirelessly to generate trending meme idea based on real-time social media analysis, customize meme to watch your brand's voice and style, optimize posting schedules for maximum engagement. So guys, you can try AI agent now. You can check AI powered marketing, active engagement 24/7 available. You can check next you can see this development roadmap. Our journey to revolutionize meme creation with artificial intelligence. Phase 1 launch and community building. Phase 2 AI meme generator development. Phase 3 community features. Phase 5 platform evolution. So guys, you can click here and see this all detail about this project roadmap. You can check here, and next guys, you can see this Mimify AI. You can check here, you can join this project on following social media platform, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Mimify AI official Twitter page is open. You can follow here and get information about this project. You can check here AI meme agent built to highlight our upcoming AI meme making app, creating and sharing hilarious meme content on X. You can check here official Telegram group channel link, official website link. You can check here next you can see this. You can check here all posts about this AI project. You can check here, you can like and comment this post and retweet this post, and next we back to the home page, and next guys we go to this project Telegram group channel. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this Mimify AI portal Telegram group channel open. You can subscribe now and get information about this project. You can check here welcome meme creators and AI ethicists, get ready to dive into the first AI powered meme social network where creativity meets crypto. Our upcoming app opens endless possibilities, letting anyone craft unique memes with advanced AI. So guys, you can follow now and get information about this project, and next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.